Did you know certain foods can directly improve your reproductive hormones? Today, we're making a delicious pumpkin seed pasta with hormone-balancing grilled chicken, packed with nutrients to support both partners.
Ingredient benefits: whole wheat pasta, rich in B vitamins, shown to improve ovulation quality. Pumpkin seeds. A quarter cup provides 40% daily zinc needs for sperm production. Fresh spinach. Folate for DNA synthesis in early embryos. Greek yogurt. Probiotics in yogurt help regulate estrogen metabolism. Garlic. Garlic enhanced spermatogenesis, increased testosterone, and improved testicular structure, likely due to its antioxidant effects. Lemon. High in vitamin C and flavonoids, lemon supports antioxidant defenses that help protect reproductive cells from oxidative stress. Olive oil. Polyphenol improve blood flow to reproductive organs. Grilled chicken. As a lean protein source, chicken provides selenium, zinc, and L-carnitine, all crucial for sperm production, DNA integrity, and hormone balance. Step-by-step preparation. Chicken preparation. Marinate chicken breasts in half a teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon neroli, a quarter teaspoon black pepper, 1 spoon lemon juice. For spoon Greek yogurt. Place the chicken in the refrigerator for 20 minutes to marinate. Pasta sauce. Toast 1 cup pumpkin seeds until golden. Blend with 2 cup fresh spinach, 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1 garlic cloves, immune booster, 1 spoon lemon juice, half a teaspoon salt, 1 spoon olive oil, half a teaspoon black pepper. Place the sauce on a low heat until it reaches the desired thickness. Pasta. Add pasta to boiling water. Cook according to instructions. Usually 8 to 12 minutes. Drain the pasta after cooking. Toss cooked pasta with sauce. Grill in olive oil 10 minutes per side. This meal combines zinc, sperm motility, and folate, egg quality, probiotics, gut hormone axis, and antioxidants, reduce oxidative stress, lean protein, amino acids for cell division. Want more fertility-boosting recipes? Next week we're making a golden lentil soup with coconut milk and turmeric, clinically shown to improve insulin sensitivity in PCOS patients. Hit subscribe and the bell icon so you don't miss it. Try this recipe. Tag #FertilityKitchenChallenge. Disclaimer: consult your doctor for personalized medical advice. Full scientific references in video description.